Hi, this is your reading partner, AJ. I hope you're doing very well today. Have you been practicing your reading? I bet you have. Remember, the more practicing you do, the better you'll get. And when you can read, you can do just about everything. Today we're going to read a story about airplanes. Wow, looks like somebody's dreaming about maybe being a pilot. You ever think about flying an airplane or being a pilot? Well, let's see what the story has to say. I love airplanes. I want to fly one someday. I like to build airplanes. I put them in my room. You see in the picture here, it looks like he's building a model airplane. And when you look in the picture, how many other models of airplanes do you see? I like to read about airplanes. I have a lot of books. Well, it sure does. Look at all the books on the floor and the one he's reading. I like to draw airplanes. I hang up my pictures. He's a very good artist. Just like you, I've seen some of your pictures. You're a very good artist as well. I like to look at airplanes. I have a lot of posters. I can even make paper airplanes. They really fly. Wow, look at that. I show my class. Everyone makes an airplane. Miss Locke says we can study airplanes. She says I can help teach. I think this is Miss Locke, their teacher. Here's some questions about the story. Where do the airplanes get put once they're all built? Again, where do the toy airplanes get put once they are built? Let's take a look at the story and see if we can see where the airplanes go once he builds them. Well, it looks like after he builds the airplanes, he puts them in his room. Remember that? Did you count how many airplanes he already has built? Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and he's building another one right now. Let's look at the other question. What do you think will happen when the class studies airplanes? I think the class is going to be very excited about the airplanes. What do you think? Remember, keep practicing your reading, and we'll look forward to speaking with you soon. And I look forward to talking to you about another story. Have a great day.